Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Independent Learning. As you all are asked and almost of you are interested in basics of Excel, so we are starting from Excel basics. We will discuss each and every single point and do practical for the same. Today's topic is customizing Excel as per our need. So in this topic we will discuss how to customize Excel as per our need and change interfaces of Excel. So let's start. For this, first we will go to the File tab and click on Apps Options tab. So this window will appear and we call this Excel Options. There are so many segments, almost 10 segments, 5 and 5. So 10 segments like General, Formulas, Proofing, Save, Languages, Advanced, Customize Ribbon, a Quick Excel Toolbar, Add-ins and Task Center. Let's start with General. In general, first part is user interface option. So we can see here two options, checked options that show many toolbar on the selection and level live preview. First we will discuss about this. So what is mini toolbar and what is live preview? So just say this example. Just when we write anything like Vikash and you select this, a small toolbar will appear. So is this toolbar we call mini toolbar, okay? And live preview, just we are filling this color. So we have not selected, not clicked any color, but if the color changes will appear. So we call this live preview. So if we uncheck this option, these options, then we will not able to see that effects that live preview and mini toolbar. So I personally recommend you to please check this. And third option is color scheme. So color scheme is generally for this color. Okay, this color scheme we can change it also by selecting blue or black. Just select black, okay, and then okay, then Excel settings will change as per your need. Just like we have changed this color also. And skin tip style we can discuss later because it's not basic and as needful as all options are. So second segment is when creating a new workbook. So let's come to the second point, when creating new workbooks. So when creating new workbooks, as the point is saying itself, where we when we open the new workbook, what you want in new workbook. So like when you're working in office, then there are certain requirements like font face must be Arial and font size must be 11 and page view style etc is predefined for the office compliances. So like we need at least 10 seats per workbook as per our work requirements, so we can increase seats by clicking here. We can increase and we can increase and we can decrease seat size also. So when I save this and try to open new workbook, then new workbook will open with only 3 seats. Let's you can do it and check it yourself and use this font, and you can set the font size by default font size and by default font size and style also. So for each and every workbook, so if you select these options as a click OK, then this setting will save and change for entire Excel for your laptop or your computer. When you start a new workbook, you can able to see only three sheets, and font by default font size will 10 and font will be Arial. The last option is username. You can edit here and change your name with the current name. So I have put in my name over here. That's all about the general tab. Let's go to the formula tab. That is something we don't need at this moment. We will discuss about this later in advanced Excel classes. We can skip proofing as well as, because we don't need any do any changes over here. Let's jump to the save. In the save section, we have four major sections: save workbooks, auto exceptions for, and offline editing. So our main section is only save workbooks, because we don't need to change this area. We can skip and we can leave it as it's showing. So first is save file in this format. We have so many formats, file formats here. Like I am discussing a case over here. Like we are creating a file for our client, and he operates MS Excel 2003, and we are working on 10 or 2013. So then our file will not function well on his computer, because his Excel version is lower than ours. So what we can do, we can create our file and save the change the file format by default file format by Excel 97.3, and after saving pressing OK, default file style will be changed, and when we save files, it's saved as Microsoft 2013 on 97 format. Next, we can skip this, and or please do not edit in this option. Leave it by default, and the next is default file location. So in this section we can edit. So what is default file location? Default file location is this location where our file saves by default. Example, if we open one sheet and do some work, and I just put save, the files will save in documents folder. Okay, but I want to save my files in my own folder by default. So I can create a folder. See here. Just I have open document, create a new folder, and save this name Vikash, and copy this path as well as, and I have saved this part over here. So after clicking OK, the setting will save, and when I create a new file and try to save, by default this file will go to the my folder. So let's just not make it right now, and just delete. So that's all for the save options, and let's go to the languages. So language is something like we don't have to discuss, and we not need to discuss about this, because we almost work on English, and Excel's by default language is English. So let's go to the advanced. So my friends, that's all for this class. We will discuss next 5 options in the next class. And my request to all of you, please join the live sessions, and please practice for each lessons. If we please join the live session in which I will try to answer all of your questions there and you can visit my blog descriptions. Details are in the description, and do subscribe for the live classes details as and all updated information about the Excel. And do not forget to subscribe me on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. See you soon. And do not forget to join my live session. If you have not if you're not getting email, please do subscribe on my blog page, and I will send you all the details, all the classes details on your email box. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye.